Hey everyone, you check out today's lesson phrasal verb. My name is Akhilesh and today I am going to be teach you 10 different phrasal verb all using the verb check. Before we begin, we need to talk about what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is when you take a verb, an action word and you add a preposition. A preposition is a word like in, on, at, from, with, etc. and you put the verb and the preposition together to create a new, unique, specific expression in English. So, today we are especially going to be taking a look at the phrasal verb all using the verb check. That's clear? If you have not subscribed my channel, then you subscribe my channel right now and get the proper notification. And first preposition is check up on. That means someone is concerned about what you are doing. When you are a teenager, you are watching a movie in a room, then your mother silently entered your room and asked you, what are you doing? Then you said, Mom, you checked up on me. Mom, you checked up on me. Mom, you checked up on me. That's mean someone very carefully to you, very careful to you. Next phrasal verb is check out. That's mean leave a hotel. Leave a hotel or something, purchase a shop and pay. Clear? Okay. What? Pay at a store. Check out, that's mean leave a hotel or pay at a store. When you leave a hotel, then pay your rent. Next phrasal verb is check in. Check in, that's mean confirm a reservation at a hotel or an aeroplane. Clear? Confirm a reservation. Check in, that's mean confirm a reservation at a hotel. That's mean you booked a hotel and confirm your reservation. That's here an aeroplane. You booked a ticket and confirm your reservation. So then check in, confirm reservation at a hotel or on an aeroplane. Next is check for. Check for, that means search or examine someone or something. Search, examine someone or something. We checked for ball. We checked for ball to play cricket match. We checked for ball to cricket match. Very heavy and very light. That's mean. And next is take off. Take off, that's mean making a list. That's mean making a list. For example, books, calls, mom, message, dinner. To check off, that's mean tick a list. Books, I have purchased books. Calls, I have making calls. Mom's message, I have create mom's message. And I have dinner, I have to eat dinner. Then check off, that's mean making a list. I checked off my routine work. I checked off my routine work. Next, check into, that's mean a hospital, not a hotel. Check into, that's a hospital, not a hotel. For example, we will check him into the hospital. Him, your friend and your employee, hospital's employee. Anyway, check into a hospital, not a hotel. That's mean we will check him into the hotel, into the hospital, not a hotel. Remember, only hospital, not a hotel. Next, check through. Check through, that's mean send luggage to your final destination. That's mean you have more destination. You traveling a train and a train stop the mini suburban stations and you have a luggage. You have a luggage which is you parcel that. Then send luggage to your final destination. That's mean the train is stopping every station and you checked every station. One station your luggage is not reached, then you go to the counter and said my luggage where is my luggage? Then he or she said to you, your luggage check through. Your luggage check through, that's mean final destination. Your luggage check through, that's mean final destination. That's mean send luggage to your final destination. Next is check with. Check with, confirm something, to confirm someone, confirm something. Sometimes my friend suggests me something doing, then I confirm my father, my mother, my brother, my sister. Clear? That means confirm something for someone. Check with. Next is check it out. Check it out, that means go look at it, examine it. Go there and over there and look it out, he comes or not. Next, check him, her out. Check him, her out, that means look at her, him. Look at her, him. That means he is checking you out. He is checking you out, or he is looking at your body. He is checking you out, that means he is looking at your body. That means he is looking your body. Looking your body. Somewhere you go, like bar or fair, you saw many person looking over there, looking at someone, beautiful girls or very weird person. Then he said he is checking you out, that means he is looking at your body. That's over. If the session is very curiously to you, then you subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.